Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick video to show you how I'm gonna upgrade my rod holder in a KingFisher 1825 Warrior. This model is a Taylor model. So on board there's the Sea Dog rod holder. I just don't like the way they're holding the rod. I'm gonna show you. I have some removed here. So this is how it looks like. It's made out of rubber. It's sturdy, it's solid, it's quality material, but that ain't something I want in my boat. Just to show you what I don't like, I'm gonna bring the camera. If I go ride my boat, there's waves, whatever, even with no waves. What do you think about that? That ain't gonna work. No, at least not for me. That's not what I want in my boat. That's for sure. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna upgrade it. But first I'm gonna show you how to remove these. It's very easy. I'll just use a screwdriver, hammer. There's a hole in the middle of it. I'll just do this and just and you're done. I have already one installed on the other side, so I'm gonna show you. And as you can see, there's a lot of thing going on here, but this is what I'm going to use. These are just rod holders I bought from the internet with very strong EVA foam in there. So this will hold your rod without shaking like crazy. What I did, I had some aluminum flat bar about the same width of the rod holders. Screwed the rod holder to the flat bar, cut the excess. Could have done the opposite, just use your imagination. I'm gonna unscrew this and show you how I mounted the flat bar to the piece of aluminum on the side of that KingFisher boat. Okay, so basically I'm going to use the track here to hold the aluminum flat bar here. So my plan is just to use some stainless steel piece. So my plan is to just use this to retain it. So I'm going to drill holes in two of them, put the screw and make them holding the flat bar there. I'll show you. Okay, so basically I just drilled a hole in my stainless steel plate, put the screw, take the plate and you slide it to the rail. Okay, cannot be simpler than that. Okay. Okay, I had to make a second hole because the spot weld at the top was preventing me from put it where I want. So first one is good. Now need to do the other one. Right there. So as you can see, it is holding in place. Gonna put the two nuts. Okay, maybe I can level it. That's about where it has to go. Okay, so the flat bar is fixed, and now I'm gonna have to put this back on, and we are done and testing it. Okay, so I'm going to try rod holder now. It fits this here. This one here. Do you understand now? It won't move like the Sea Dog one. This is how I want it. I could even put it further. Yeah, these are real firm one. I could use this one. And this one there won't make noise, that's for sure. And I'm probably gonna add some Heva foam on the side panel, top one, maybe bottom one, so the boat ride will be a lot quieter. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down there below, positive or negative comment, I'll take it. If it can improve what I just did, that's okay for me. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and just come back for more.